They call me Tar Snake. I'm like Hawkeye in the Avengers, but I'm Tar Snake in the Justice League. I don't really have any superpowers. I'm just really good at what I do. Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of CPUspeed Motorcycles. My video today was really going to take you into the city. I was going to ride around Santa Barbara and play with some settings on my camera. But as you can see, we're all fogged in. So I'm going to go into the valley and see if I can find some non-foggy areas. I really didn't want to go on this road again because I just did a video on this road. But I am testing the new Hero 7 Black. Still got the Sony, still love the Sony. Wow, a lot of bicyclists. Still gonna use it, but my GoPro Hero 4 was not only super old, it was actually kind of burned up. What was I saying? Oh, so I'm using protunes. So I've got it. So I leave everything automatic, except for ISO. I have turned to 100, which will make it really nice in sunny, bright days. And I have turned the color to flat so I can grade it later on. And what else have I done? And I turned the sharpness down to low. So that's basically what I did. And I did get some ND filters. I mean, my last video, that was another experiment in the camera mode, but it was way too bright. My fellow camera nerds are gonna say, why did you get the DJI Action? Yeah, it's a good camera. If it has features that you like, go get that. But this was on kind of a sale price. I mean, it was lower, it was less than the DJI camera. And I do have plans to play with the H.265 codec. I mean, I've never had the LCD on the camera before. That's pretty cool. But, and I do want to play with the GPS, but I've got the GPS turned off. I've got the voice commands turned off. I've got the quick capture turned off. I've turned down the brightness on the LCD screen, and I've turned Wi-Fi off. So that's all to keep the battery from going out. So I hate these people on moods should not drive. Quite a big change. So my Hero 4 has gone through hell and back, and it still works fine. My last video was shot on it. I'm obviously not going to throw it away or get rid of it, but unfortunately I've left it on maybe a couple of times, I don't know, maybe in the bag, and it's actually brown. It's gotten brown where it's like right on the verge of blowing up. Oh, and I got the the stabilization turned on this, so we'll see what that looks like. But I don't necessarily run 4K on the GoPros. The Sony's actually pretty good, and what I'm bringing up is the heat and the power consumption. So the cameras will run hotter and they'll eat up more battery if you're doing 4K. I'd probably just do 1080p if I wanted to, but sometimes I get this pixelation thing and blockiness, and that might be because of the megabit size. So what's good about protunes is that not only does it give you manual settings, it bumps up the bit rate. So, I mean, you could just turn on Protune, leave everything the way it is, and get a higher bit rate and get a better quality video. Wow, I'm really upset that this is not sunny. Sorry, guys. I'd rather have a sunny day. Hey, nice ride. So I'm thinking of other places to put the old GoPro, and what I think I'll do is just put it right under the tail. See if I can just put a sticker right there, and that'll be cool. What's this f***er doing, man? Oh, I see. I get it now. I get it. Oh, man. There we go. All right. The Ojai Valley Women's Club. So, I'm not going to say anything. I made it, man. Cool dogs. I think those are miniature somethings. Let's just go right out into traffic. Boom, boom. I always look distorted in that window. Well, it makes me look freakishly tall. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot. I am freakishly tall. Help wanted. Oh, wow. I better get my resume cleaned up. Ouch. GoPro is supposed to be kind of water resistant. Ooh, another squirrel. Is that a squirrel? Man, that's a fast squirrel. Wow, it's really wet. Oh, damn. I would have done it with 2 cars, but 3 cars. See, it's all an issue of mathematics. When you're passing cars. And that's... You can read about all those tips and tricks in my new book, Find and Pass 'em. When you drive down that road, you smell something else. That is, and I'll say it's been legalized. Oh, my camera died. My camera died, guys. So I'm gonna put in some extra footage here. It did beep loud enough for me to hear it, and I am happy that I heard it, but it's also kind of a test of how long the battery lasted, so it's going to be interesting to see how much actual footage I got at my usual setting. But thanks again, guys, for watching, and as always, have a great weekend, great week, and ride safe. All right, I'll see you in the next one.